This tri-pole handheld fan is amazing. It's the little fan that could. It's chargeable with any USB port and gives a lot more power than you would expect. There are 2 speeds. It also has an awesome cord that you could use to tie it around a stroller, wear it around your neck. Just hang on to it easily. Here I'll demonstrate the speed number 1 and speed number 2 with the handheld fan. There's really a lot of power out of each of these settings. This fan is easy to hold, it's strong but mighty, and the rechargeable battery is super easy to recharge with any USB port.